Hi, this is Sushil. In yesterday's video, I taught you about basic graph. In today's video, I'll be explaining you how do you create a stacked column chart. As you can see my data, we have given you some months over here, computer ka cell, laptop cell, and I would like to create a graph for this. For that, you just click inside and press Ctrl A, so the entire data gets selected. If I click on insert and come here, charts, and if I click over here, all charts, now instead of taking this option called a stat column, if I go for clustered and if I say OK, it will give me a graph like this. But this is not showing me the percentage how much sale was done or the ratio. So I would like to, so this will give me a wrong picture actually. So that's why I cannot use this type of graph actually. That is your cluster graph I cannot use in this case. So for that what you should do is, again I'll just come here, graph, all charts, column, and instead of clustered you come here, stat column. This is how the graph should look. See, this blue color is your computer ka sale and that maroon color is laptop sale. So how much sale was done in that particular month, it will going to show you. So if I say OK, so I should get my graph like this. See, so this is the graph that I'm looking out. See, if you want to change the color, you can change the color. This laptop, click, when you click, the entire thing gets selected. Click on format option, shape fill, can take the color. I'm just going for dark red. Then down blue color, I just want to make it a little more darker blue. Again can come here, format option, shape fill, and blue color. Sorry, this okay, yeah, sorry, this is red I wanted, top, and down is my down part is my this is computer ka sale, the format, shape fill, and I can change the colors like this. Okay, yeah, and I want to show the values also. So click on that laptop, that is this bar. Click on this plus sign, which I have explained in the last class also, and data labels. So if I click on data labels, you get the values, that is your percentage or ratio. The same thing I have to do with this blue color also. Click on that blue bar, click on the blue bar, click on this plus sign, that is chart elements and data labels. So we want to make the size little bigger for this month wise, January, February, March. Click on January, click on your home tab, size can be made little bigger. Making the size little bigger. Same thing you can do with your computer and laptop also. Just click on that home, size can be made bigger here like this. So I've done all those things what I wanted to do actually over here. So here it tells me that May month, okay, it's gone actually, yeah, 1 minute, plus sign, data labels, yeah. So it shows me that May month the sale was little less, so that's why it's showing the ratio is showing me, your percentage is showing me less over here. So more sale was over here actually, April month is showing me, see. So like that it shows me the information. And finally you can give a color also, background color. Click on the border of the graph, click on chart design and background, that is your background, so it looks better. So if you find this video helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.